So what if I told you that you can create professional looking videos without using a camera, hiring actors, or even recording your own voice? Well, that's what we're exploring today using Synthesia AI's Enterprise plan. So in this video, I'm gonna cover my favorite features and what's actually worth using in the Enterprise plan. So if you're a content creator, a marketer, an educator, or just a business professional, this is the perfect AI tool for your business needs. The Enterprise plan comes with advanced features like unlimited video creation, expanded avatar options, team collaboration tools, and API integration. The Enterprise plan is designed for businesses that need to maintain brand consistency across videos. With the brand kit, you can upload company logos, select fonts, and apply custom color palettes to ensure every video aligns with your branding. It's as easy as linking your company website, as Synthesia will detect things like your brand colors and logo and just automatically import everything. After creating your brand kit in just one click, you can use all the assets and create an avatar that literally wears your brand logo and colors. Here's an example of an avatar wearing a shirt that's the same as our primary branded agency colors, and the logo can be placed anywhere on her clothing. I'll replace the avatar in this video with our avatar that we created with our brand kit, and now it looks like the video is being presented by someone from our agency's team.
Ever wondered why some videos get all the clicks? It's often the thumbnail. A captivating thumbnail is your first chance to grab attention. Use bold colors and clear images to make viewers stop scrolling.
You can also collaborate with team members, assign roles, and streamline the video production process across different departments. But what if you want something more personal? That's where custom avatars come in. With Enterprise Plan, you can create unlimited personal avatars. I've already made a video showing you how to clone yourself using Synthesia, so make sure you check that out before doing this, but there's a way to make it look and sound way more realistic with Enterprise features. After making your digital clone of yourself, you'll notice that the AI voice it gives might sound way off. What you're listening to is my script audio examples. With the script audio feature, we can record our voiceovers and drag them into Synthesia instead. This takes our real voice and actually lip syncs our avatar to make it look like they're saying it. And this makes your avatar sound and feel way more real compared to before. Take a look. What you're listening to is my script audio example. So I'm gonna drag and drop this audio that I have recorded onto an avatar, and you'll see how Synthesia AI lip syncs the avatar using my audio. The Enterprise plan also allows you to translate and localize all of your content from the audio, text, and even subtitles, allowing users to translate videos into 29 different languages. The translated audio retains the original speaker's voice, making sure that it sounds authentic and natural. But if you're already editing a video on Synthesia with text and animations, you can translate the original copy into different languages, and it will automatically change everything from voice and on-screen text. The process of translating videos is pretty straightforward, requiring just a few clicks. Once the video is generated, users can preview both the original and translated versions side by side. You can use the multilingual player. Oh my gosh. You can use the multilingual player to toggle between different language versions without creating multiple projects. And lastly, enable closed captions to view translations while listening to the audio. And if you edit the original video, all the changes that you do will apply to other language versions.
The first thing to do is to make sure your chair is set up properly.
And the feature to clone your own voice is also available on the Enterprise plan, allowing you to name your own voice, choose a language, gender, and a few things to keep in mind before recording is to obviously be in a quiet environment, use an external high quality mic, take breaks so you're not too fatigued when it comes to recording because you want to sound as enthusiastic as possible. And if you can't do a certain paragraph to test your voice, you can move on to the next one. Hi there, welcome back to our series, Making Education Better. Today we're talking about a critical ingredient of successful education, building strong interpersonal relationships. So grab a coffee and let's get started. As you can see at the top, there is a voice score, and if you reach a minimum of 74 out of 100, then that is enough testing for Synthesia to make a solid, accurate voice clone out of all the recordings that you're sending over. So after you achieve a high enough voice score, like I did 83 here for example, so I went a little bit above the minimum, all you have to do afterwards is just submit your voice recordings and then record your consent for Synthesia to use your voice for videos and speeches as a custom voice. My name is Nicholas Lagman, and I hereby consent to use this audio recording to create a custom voice. I understand that this voice will be used from my account to the... Holy crap. My name is Nicholas Lagman, and I hereby consent to use this audio recording to create a custom voice. I understand that this voice will be used from my account on the Synthesia platform to generate videos and speeches, and that anyone with whom the account owner shares access will be able to generate videos and speeches with my custom voice. The passcode is 360206. So that's a wrap on my favorite Synthesia Enterprise features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on AI tools to help your business more seamless and automated. And if you want to try out Synthesia AI today for free, make sure to click the link in the description below to get started.